Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about Chemical Kinetics class 17. The topic is parallel reactions or side reactions. First of all, what is parallel reaction? You know that parallel reaction is the starting material is same but different products is present in there, that is called as parallel reaction. Now start this section and see this board. Friends, first of all you have to consider here, this is the A is reactant, this A is reactant is B and C is product in different rate constants K1 and K2. Parallel reaction is the starting material is same, products is different in different rate constant, that is called as parallel reaction. This is the parallel reaction. Now what is the important expressions are present in the parallel reaction? It means the concentration of A versus time and concentration of B with time and concentration of C with time. There are important formulas are present in this parallel reaction, that formulas are used for the competitive exams. Okay friends, now first of all this is the generally this A is gives B like this, A is gives B like this, the rate constant is K1. In rate of reaction of this A is gives B, reaction rate of reaction is this is the reactants is the negative sign is present in there, and change in concentration of A by with time delta T is equal to, now the rate of this reaction is the K1 into concentration of A. Okay friends, as usually this A is gives C product, the rate constant K2. Now change in concentration of A by, this is the negative sign is present in there, that reacts, that is called as decreases of concentration of the reactants. Now what happens friends, minus change in concentration of dA by dt is equal to the K1 K2, this is the rate constant K2 into concentration of A. Okay friends, change in concentration of A by change in time is equal to the K1 into concentration of A, and this is the K2 into concentration of A. Now what happens friends, finally change in concentration of A by change in time dt is equal to the, these two are addition. What happened friends, K1 into concentration of A plus K2 into concentration of A. This is the finally the rate of this concentration reactants A is the minus change in concentration by change in time is equal to the K1 into concentration of A plus K2 into concentration of A. This is the expression is present in there. Now what happened friends, now this expression minus change in concentration of A by change in time T is equal to K1 plus K2 into change in concentration of A. This is the expression is present in there friends. This expression is present in there. Now with respect to change in concentration of this A versus time, now what happens friends, minus D into concentration of A is equal to them by this minus change in concentration of A by concentration of A is equal to the K1 plus K2 into dt. Okay friends, now what happened friend, integration of this equation is the like this, this integration of this equation is done like this, this minus sign is in this side. Now this term is also constant, K1 plus K2 in integration of dt. Friends, what happened friends, let t is equal to 0 time friends, let t is equal to 0 time, this concentration of A is initially this concentration is E2, it means A is equal to A0, initial concentration A0, at T is equal to T time A concentration is A. Now what happens friends, T is equal to T time, this concentration is A. Okay friends, this concentration is, this is the expression is present in there. Now this expression is the integration of this expression. What happens friends, integration of 1 by A dA value is the ln A. Now this expression value is the n r log base C A. This is the lower limit and this is upper limit is equal to, this is the minus k1 plus k2 into t. Now this dt value is the concentration, integration of dt value is t. Now what happened friends, this is the upper limit is t. Now the value is present in there. Now these two values is substituted in this term. What happened friends, log base e lower minus log base e upper limit is equal to the minus k1 plus k2 into t. Now this expression log base e a by a naught is equal to the minus k1 plus k2 into t. Friends, in log a minus log b value is the log a by b. Finally this expression is the a by a naught is equal to the, this log base is in this side. What happened friends, this is the exponential, this is the exponential is changes to the this log base in this side, this is the exponential. Now this is the minus k1 plus k2 into t. Okay friends, now finally a is equal to a naught into e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. This is the expression is present in the, this expression is present in the, this is the concentration of a is equal to the, this a naught is the initial concentration, this exponential e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. This is the expression of the change in, this is the expression of the concentration of a versus time t. Now this is the one more important expression is present in there. Now another I am going to talk about this product concentration versus time t and product concentration of C with time. What is the expressions are present in there? Now this is clear friends, this is arise. Friends, in parallel reaction the important expression is present in the concentration of A with time. The expression is like this, this is the A is equal to, this is the concentration of A is equal to a naught into e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. This is the expression is present in the concentration of A versus time. This k1 or k2 is the rate constant, this a naught is the initial concentration. Okay friends, now the important expression, another expression is present in the concentration of B. It means product versus time. What happened friends, now in generally the reaction is the A gives B. This type of reaction, this reaction is the constant is k1. Now this is the one of the parallel reaction is the like this. Parallel reaction is B and this is C, this is the rate constant k1 and k2. Now this reaction A gives product B. Now this rate constant k1. In generally this is the change in concentration of A by change in time is equal to the, this is the negative sign is present in the, this is the reactance. But in this case what happened friends, this is the product is the change in concentration of B by change in time. This is the positive sign is present in the, because of the, this is the concentration is increases of the product. Okay friends, this is the B is equal to the rate of this reaction is the k1 into concentration of A. Now what happened friends, now I am going to talk about expression of the B. Concentration of B expression is, find out the concentration of B expression with time. What happened friends, change in concentration of B by change in time is equal to the k1 into concentration of A. Okay friends, now this concentration of B value is this concentration of B value is find out. Now what happened friends, this concentration of A value is like this. Now what happened friends, concentration of change in concentration of B by change in time t is equal to k1 into this concentration of A value is like this. This is the A naught into e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. Okay friends, this is the expression. Now what happened friends, now we have to find out the concentration of B with the time. Now this expression is the integration on the both sides. Now what happened friends, integration of the both sides, this is the concentration of B, change in concentration of B is equal to k1 into A naught e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. This dt term is in this side like this, this is dt. Now this term is integration. Now this term is integration, this k1 and A naught is constant, this term is integration. Friends, you know that let t is equal to 0 time. Friends, let t is equal to 0 time. T is equal to 0 time, this is the product concentration is T is equal to 0 time, product concentration is, it means B concentration is 0. Product concentration is 0 in initial T is equal to 0 time, but T is equal to T time, product concentration B value is B. Okay friends, this is very important because of the T is equal to 0 time, initial concentration of these reactants, product is cannot form. Now product concentration is 0 at T is equal to 0 time, but T is equal to T time, product concentration is B. Now what happens friends, this is the initially T is equal to 0 time, this is 0, and T is equal to T time, this is B. Okay friends, now have to integrate this term is the, now this D and this integration is cancelled. Now this is the concentration of B is equal to the, this is K1 A naught is, friends, now one more important formula friends, one more important formula in integrations, integration of e power of x is e power of x, but integration of e power of ax is the e power of x by a. Now this is the basic fundamental of in integration of e power of ax is equal to the e power of x by a. Okay friends, now this term is the integration of e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. Now what happened friends, this is the concentration of B is equal to, this is the k1 into a is constant, k1 into this is the a naught is constant. Now this is the integration of minus e k1 plus k2. This is what happened friends, this is the e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t by, this is the k1 plus k2. Okay friends, minus k1 plus k2. Okay friends, like this formula is used to the this integration. What happened first, e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t is the e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t by minus k1 plus k2. Now this is the limits is applied, this is the lower limit to 0 and upper limit is t. Now what happened friends, concentration of B is equal to the k1 into a naught, this term is common. What happened friends, minus k1 plus k2. Now this is the upper and lower limits are applied to this expression. Now what happens friends, e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. Now this upper limit is applied. Now what happens friends, this is the t. Okay friends, now this value is the e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t minus, now this is the lower limit is applied to this place in t. Now what happens friends, e power of minus k1 plus k2 into 0 value is e power of 0 value is 1. Now this is the 1. Finally the expression is the concentration of B, this minus is the multiplied to this term. What happens friends, k1 into a naught by k1 plus k2 into, this is the minus into minus is plus. Now minus 1 minus e power of minus k1 plus k2 into, this term is like this, minus k1 plus k2 into t. This is the final expression is present in concentration of B versus concentration of B with time. This is the final expression, concentration of B with time. Now what happens friends, finally the expression is that this is like, this is clear friends, this is arise. Finally the expression is the concentration of B with time is the k1 into a naught by k1 plus k2 into 1 minus e power of minus k1 plus k2 into t. This is the expression is present in the concentration of B with time. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is arrays. And similarly the expression of the concentration of C with, this means concentration of C, products of concentration of C with time, what happened friends, this is clear friends, this is arrays. Friends, finally the expression of the concentration of C. Concentration of C is the like this. This is the A gives C. It means this type reaction is rate constant is K2. Now this is the minus change in concentration of A by change in time t is equal to, this is positive value. Now change in concentration of C by change in concentration of time t is equal to the K2 into concentration of A. This expression, same process. Now what happens, friends? Concentration of C is equal to the, now in this place K1 place is replaced to the K2. Now what happens, friends? This is K2 into this is K2 into A0 by K1 plus K2 into 1 minus e power of minus K1 plus K2 into T. Same expression, friends, same expression changes to the this, replace it to the K1 in K2. Okay friends, this is the expression. This is the concentration of C versus T and concentration of B versus time T, and this is the concentration of A versus time. These are the important formulas are present in the this parallel reaction or side reaction. Now one more important point, in the ratio between the concentration of B versus concentration of C, what happens, friends? These A0 and A0 is cancelled, K1 plus K2 is cancelled. Now this term is also cancelled. Now what happens, friends? The ratio between the concentration of B by concentration of C is equal to the K1 by K2. This is the one more important expression, friends. This expression, what happens, friends? The rate constant value is, it means concentration of B value is depends upon the this rate constant K1. This concentration of C values depends upon the this rate constant K2. This is the important expression is present in the this parallel reaction. This is the one more important expression. Now the graph representation of the parallel reaction is the like this. This is the, I am represented to the, this is the concentration and this is the time. Concentration versus time in parallel reaction is the, first of all the reactants. First of all, this is the A, this is C, this is the K1 and K2. Graphical representation, time versus concentration. What happens? This is the reactant. Reactant concentration is the exponentially decreases. It means this value is like this. This is the concentration of A. But in concentration of product concentration is increases like this is the, obviously this is increases is like this. This is obvious. This is the increases of the product concentration is like this. This is the concentration of B. This is concentration of B, and this is the concentration of C is like this. In this graph, I am represented to the this graph is the this B concentration is I with compared to the this concentration of C. It means these values depends upon the this rate constant K1 and K2. This graph is the K1 is much more greater than K2. Now the graph is like this. This is the concentration of B and this is the concentration of C. This is the graph representation of the parallel reaction, time versus concentration. This is the concentration of A and this is concentration of C and B. In this 2 is the depends upon the value the rate constant K1 and K2. Friends, in competitive exams the question is asked for them, find the concentration of B in parallel reaction. It means product concentration. You have to calculate the product concentration in competitive exams. Now the question is the rate constant value is given and this initial concentration is given. Now we have to calculate the product concentration. What happens, friends? This formula is used or these are formula. Now we have to consider a reaction like this. This reaction is, now this value is given in examination point 2 and this K2 value is given. This A value, this initial concentration value is given. Now we have to calculate the B. Now then use the this formula. Now we have to calculate the, for example, you have to calculate the this concentration of C. Now you have to use the this formula. This is the important in competitive exams. Okay friends, this is the concept of the parallel reactions or side reactions. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.